Objective 1 in our botany unit says define plants and explain what adaptation made them suitable for terrestrial existence. And we are now in chapter 23. We know that plants are multicellular, photosynthetic eukaryotes, and the adaptations to the land existence illustrates their evolution. Being on the land offered certain advantages. For instance, there's plenty of light for photosynthesis, and you got higher concentrations of carbon dioxide that diffuses more easily in the air than it does in the water. For them to live on land, they had to be protected from desiccation or drying out. So seed plants will have these seeds with their embryos and a food supply in the seeds surrounded by a protective seed coat. Being in the water provides plentiful water, and it also supports the body of the plant. And when they moved to land, they had to come up with ways to conserve water. So they covered the body of the plant, became covered by a waxy cuticle. It allows the carbon dioxide to enter and the oxygen to leave so that photosynthesis can happen, but it keeps them from losing too much water. They also developed a vascular system, a system of tubes, if you will, that transports water in the body of the plant. And when we look at the evolution of the plant, we've got 6 evolutionary events that are associated with the 4 major groups. The 4 groups are non-vascular, seedless vascular, gymnosperms and angiosperms, and flowering plants. The non-vascular plants, the adaptation is where we saw the nourishment of the embryo within the body of the female plant. The seedless vascular plant, that's where we started seeing these vascular tubes or systems that move the water and the nutrients to all parts of the plant. Gymnosperms and angiosperms produce the seeds, which again contain the embryo as well as nourishment for the embryo. And then of course we have the flowering plants that develop, that attract the pollinators and that produce fruits.